Hey folks, today I'm going to teach you how to quickly remove the Instagram accounts that you interact with the least. That's coming up next on Tech Talk America. Hey folks, it's been a while since I created one of my normal YouTube videos, just because I've been working so hard on putting together my course on video production for small business owners. I am just about to leave Provincetown to head back to Palm Springs, so I thought this would be a good time to release a short and sweet tutorial. Today, I'm going to show you how to find the Instagram accounts that you interact with the least so that you can quickly remove them. Now, there is a very important detail at the end of this video that you need to follow, because if you don't, it could end you up in Instagram jail for a week. How do I know that, you ask? Well, I just got out of it myself. To start, I want you to go to your profile on Instagram, and here at the top, I want you to click on where it says the number of people that you currently follow. Then tap here where it says least interacted with. Now, in this list, you will see the 50 accounts that you have interacted with the least in the last 90 days. So here is the critical piece of information that you need to know about this process. There is a limit to how many accounts you can unfollow in a 24-hour period before Instagram thinks that you're a bot and throws you in the slammer for a week. That total is somewhere between 150 and 200 accounts per day. If you enjoyed this video, I have another tutorial on a very similar topic that shows you basically how to do the same thing with your YouTube subscriptions. To watch that video, just go ahead and click the card icon that just appeared at the top of your screen. Thanks for watching, everyone. This is David A. Cox with Tech Talk America. Class dismissed.